The Ram 1500 is known for its combination of capability and comfort, and it's receiving several upgrades for the 2025 model year to maintain its dominance in the full-size pickup truck segment. It offers a choice between a base V6 engine and a new twin-turbo inline-six that replaces the previous Hemi V-8, providing up to 540 horsepower. While the Rebel model focuses on off-road performance, the Ram 1500 shines when configured with luxury features. The limited and new Tungsten trims offer a high-end experience comparable to vehicles in a higher class, while still retaining their workhorse capabilities. While it may not tow as much as competitors like the Ford F-150 and Chevy Silverado, its maximum towing capacity is still substantial enough for most buyers. What's new for 2025? Ram has introduced a facelift and various upgrades for its full-size truck in the 2025 model year. Instead of the Hemi V-8, a new twin-turbocharged inline-six engine is now available, offering either 420 or 540 horsepower. While the truck's exterior changes are minor, they contribute to a more modern and attractive appearance. The refresh includes updates to lighting elements, wheel designs, and a refreshed color selection. Inside the vehicle, the standard 8.4-inch touchscreen has been replaced with a larger 12.0-inch display, and an even larger 14.5-inch screen is now an option. Additionally, there is now an optional 10.3-inch screen for the passenger side. The Ram 1500 has been recognized as a luxurious truck in recent years, and the new range-topping Tungsten model aims to elevate the luxury even further. It features quilted leather upholstery, massaging seats, and upscale amenities like a 23-speaker Klipsch stereo system. It's worth noting that the 2025 model year also introduces the Ramcharger plug-in hybrid and the Ram 1500 Rev EV, but those models are reviewed separately. Pricing and which one to buy. The pricing for the 2025 Ram 1500 has not been announced yet. However, it is expected to include a high-end Tungsten trim with luxurious features such as quilted leather upholstery, 24-way adjustable seats with massage function, and a suede headliner. The Laramie and Rebel trims are likely to remain popular choices, with the latter offering off-road enhancements for those seeking to venture beyond conventional routes. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Ram 1500 offers a choice between V6 and twin-turbo inline-six gasoline engines, both paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifting. The base V6 is equipped with a 48-volt hybrid system and produces 305 horsepower. The twin-turbo inline-six, known as the Hurricane engine, delivers either 420 or 540 horsepower. For those seeking off-road capabilities, the Rebel model offers a rugged appearance and genuine off-road performance. The Ram 1500 provides an excellent ride quality, thanks to its rear suspension utilizing standard coil springs, which differs from the traditional leaf spring setups found in domestic competitors. Models equipped with the optional air suspension feature adjustable ride height, enhancing both fuel efficiency and off-road capabilities. The fuel economy ratings for the Ram with the twin-turbo inline-six have not yet been released by the EPA. However, the ratings for the base V6 engine are expected to be similar to the previous year's model, which achieved up to 20 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Towing and payload capacity. The towing capacity of the Ram 1500 is limited to 11,580 pounds, with a payload capacity of up to 2,300 pounds. While this falls short compared to rival trucks from Ford and Chevrolet, which can tow over 13,000 pounds, there are other options within the Ram lineup for those seeking higher towing capabilities. The new Ramcharger plug-in hybrid, for example, has a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds. Additionally, the heavy-duty Ram HD lineup offers an impressive maximum towing capacity of 37,090 pounds. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The interior of the Ram 1500 offers highly practical storage compartments and generous passenger space. In higher trims, the Ram 1500 incorporates premium materials and luxurious amenities that give it a more upscale feel akin to a luxury vehicle rather than a standard pickup truck. Many models offer upscale features like heated and ventilated seats and a panoramic sunroof, while the top-tier versions boast premium leather surfaces and genuine wood accents. The crew cab configuration of the Ram 1500 provides exceptionally spacious seating, and the truck offers extensive interior storage options along with a unique split folding tailgate. Both the 5'7" and 6'4" cargo beds are available, although the extended cab body style is only compatible with the latter. Infotainment and connectivity. Ram trucks have consistently offered one of the top infotainment systems and connectivity features in their class, and this trend continues in the latest models. The trucks are equipped with either a 12.0-inch touchscreen as standard or an optional 14.5-inch touchscreen, both of which are highly responsive. These systems support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even the larger touchscreen includes a set of physical knobs and buttons for added convenience. Additionally, there is an optional 10.3-inch passenger display that provides access to entertainment and navigation functions. Introducing the CARPURIDE W903, the ultimate smart multimedia dashboard console for your car. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, CARPURIDE is a global brand known for its exceptional product quality. Experience the power of the 350-degree adjustable camera, allowing you to capture both the inside and outside of your car. No more blind spots or missed moments. Plus, with the built-in microphone, enjoy crystal-clear audio for your recordings. Connect seamlessly with your car's Bluetooth system using CarPlay or Android Auto, and enjoy high-quality audio through your car's speakers. It's a feature that sets us apart from the competition. Need ample storage space? The CARPURIDE W903 supports up to 64GB TF cards, perfect for storing all your camera data securely. Say goodbye to adjusting screen brightness manually. The light sensing feature automatically adjusts the screen brightness according to the ambient lighting conditions, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. With multiple interfaces on the side of the device, each serves a unique function to enhance your driving experience. Installation is a breeze with two convenient bracket options: the self-adhesive bracket and the suction cup bracket. Choose from 3 installation methods: dashboard mounting, windshield mounting, or telescopic regulation. Experience the simplicity and speed of portable installations, allowing you to set up the CARPURIDE W903 in just 5 minutes. It's that easy. Purchase the CARPURIDE W903 today and enjoy 30 days of no-reason after-sales service, along with a 2-year warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Visit our official website at CARPURIDE.com or find us on Amazon US to get your very own CARPURIDE W903. Remember, when you purchase through our affiliate links, you can get up 50% off while enjoying our top-notch product. Use the discount code on the screen to get 50% off. CARPURIDE W903, the ultimate smart multimedia dashboard console for your car. Upgrade your driving experience today.